She's used to men chasing her, blowing up her phone, trying to prove their worth. But then you show up, calm, grounded, and detached. You don't chase, you attract. And that's when her mind starts to spiral. Why isn't he trying like everyone else? That's the silent power of a Stoic man, the one who doesn't lose himself just to be loved. Women are drawn to emotional strength, not emotional chaos. A Stoic man doesn't ignore feelings, he just masters them. He can feel attraction, desire, even love, without losing control of his own peace. When you stop chasing, you shift from needing her validation to being your own source of power. You respond instead of react. You stay calm when she tests you, silent when she pulls away, focused when she tries to confuse you. And that stillness, that emotional control drives her crazy. Because deep down, every woman wants a man who can't be shaken by her moods. A man who listens, but doesn't beg. Who cares, but doesn't crumble. Who walks away with dignity when his boundaries are crossed. That's not arrogance, that's discipline, that's Stoicism. And it's the most magnetic form of power a man can ever develop. So remember, you don't win her by chasing her. You win her by mastering yourself.